Need a simple way to compress files, open zip folders, or protect your files with a password? That's exactly what 7-Zip is useful for. In this guide, I'll show you the basics, from installing 7-Zip to creating archives, extracting files, and adding encryption. First, download 7-Zip from the official website. As of 2026, the current Windows release is version 26.02. Choose the installer that matches your system, then run the setup file and complete the installation. Once it's installed, open 7-Zip File Manager from the Start menu. You'll see a simple file manager where you can browse folders, open archives, and manage compressed files. Now let's create an archive. Select the files or folder you want to compress, right-click, and choose the 7-Zip option. Then select Add to Archive. Here, you can choose the archive format. 7-Zip is usually the best choice when you want strong compression, while Zip is useful when you need wider compatibility. You can also adjust the compression level if you want to prioritize smaller size or faster processing. If the archive contains private files, you can add a password. In the encryption section, enter your password, confirm it, and choose AES-256 encryption when available. Then click OK to create the protected archive. To extract a compressed file, right-click the archive and open the 7-Zip menu. From here, you can extract everything to a new folder, extract to the current location, or open the archive first and choose specific files. Another useful feature is format support. 7-Zip can create several common archive types and can also open many formats, including zip, tar, gzip, bzip2, xz, and rar archives for extraction. And that's the basic 7-Zip workflow. Download it, compress your files, extract archives, and use encryption when you need extra protection. Yeah, once you get familiar with the right-click menu, it's pretty straightforward.